Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video today we are going to discuss about the communication protocol. Okay, so basically what is the communication protocol means UART, SPI, I2C. So these things today video we will discuss. Okay, so before that, like I will in short I will explain like what is the data communication, serial, parallel, and synchronization, that things, and simplex, duplex, half duplex, full duplex. Okay, so before starting that communication protocol, I will start communication protocol. Okay, so first we will see data communication protocol. Okay, data communication protocol. Okay, what is that? Parallel data communication. Okay, second is that serial data communication. What is parallel, what is the serial? Okay, so basically parallel data communication and serial data communication, both are the communication only where we are using the data communication. Parallel means like we can transmit uh, the data in simultaneously in the at the time. Okay, but in serial we are transmit the data in a bit one by one, bit by bit we can transmit the data in the serial data type. Okay, bit by bit transmit the data. Okay, in the serial data, but in parallelly we can get simultaneously we can transmit the data at the time. So that is the parallel and serial. Where it is used? So serial data basically it is also a long distance protocol. We can say that long distance. Okay, but in parallel short distance protocol. Okay, short distance protocol. Okay, what is the application for both? So serial, I just said it is a long distance protocol. So the application is the mobile, okay, telephone, where we are using the serial data communication, and similar to parallel data communication we are using in printer, hard disk. Okay, so this is the application we are using the parallel communication. Okay, now coming to synchronization and okay, synchronization. So synchronization basically it is used to the block of data when we want to transmit the data, block of data transmit, okay, or character. So that time we are using synchronization. Okay, a synchronization means single byte of data, single byte of data transmitting, that is asynchronization. Okay, for now up to here only. Coming to the, before that I will take TX and RX or anything, RX or TX, okay? RX receiver and transmitter side. Okay, so first we will see if transmitting the data, okay, if transmitting the data to RX to TX or TX to RX. Okay, in only yeah, we are transmitting the data to TX and RX, and RX to TX, TX to RX, that is known as the duplex. Okay, duplex. We will transmit the data from receiver to transmitter, transmitter to receiver is known as the duplex. Okay, now coming to the simplex. Basically here also say we are transmitting the data from RX to TX and TX to RX, but there is only one way, that is known as the simplex. Okay, now coming to the half duplex first. Okay, half duplex. Okay, so half duplex means what? There is two RX and TX. Okay, there is so 2 TX, 2 RX is there. In half duplex, there is 2 TX and 2 RX, but there is the direction is two way TX and RX, but there is only one way is there. So that is the half duplex. Okay. So like that we can transmit TX, RX, RX to TX. Okay. There is 2 TX and 2 direction. Basically there is 2 direction, but there is only one way. That is known as the half duplex. Okay. Coming to the full duplex. Okay, so here in full duplex also there is the two direction, 2 TX, 2 RX, but where at that center we are transmitting two way also. Okay, it's for the full duplex. Okay, I hope you got some information. So next, now coming to the point, UART, SPI and I2C. First we will discuss UART. UART. Okay. So what is UART? What it means? So basically UART is a stand for the universal asynchronization receiver and transmitter. Okay. Basically it's the there is two pin wire communication. One is receiver and transmitter. Receiver and transmission, RX and TX. There is two wire of communication. That is the UART. Okay. Okay, and where it is used, what is the application of UART? Like basically UART is the, as I said, it is the universal synchronization receiver and transmitter. It is used in the wireless communication, Bluetooth, GPS. So that is the application for UART. Okay. Now, and the baud rate of UART is standard baud rate is 9600. Okay, keep it. Okay, sorry. So next, frame format. Okay, so frame format of UART we will see. Okay, now so it will start from start bits. Okay, it will take 1 bits. Next is that data. Okay, how many data it will take? 5 to 9 bits data it will contain. Okay, now coming to the priority bits. Okay, it will take 0 to 1 bits. Okay, there is a stop bits. It will take 1 to 2 bits. So this is the frame format of UART. It starts from the start bits that will contain 1 bits. Next is the data. It will contain 5 to 9 bits, and priority bit it will take 0 to 1 bits, and in end of the frame or end of the frame format you said 1 to 2 bits it will contain. Okay, so this is the frame format. Okay, where it is 2 pin RX and TX. Baud rate is 96,000, and application I said wireless, Bluetooth, GPS. This is the application of UART. Now coming to the SPI. Okay. SPI. So basically SPI is also one type of communication protocol. It's a stand for the serial peripheral interface. Okay, serial peripheral interface. Okay, it is also it's also a 4-wire communication we can say. What is that 4-wire? MOSI meso, clock, and chip select or slave select. Okay. So MOSI means what? Master out slave in. Okay, that is called MOSI means master in slave out clocks, serial clock and chip select. So here it's a master step slave. Okay, so MOSI means how it will communicate. Okay, how it will communicate. So MOSI means master or slave. So master or in slave in, that is the direction of the MOSI. Coming to the MOSI. Okay, master in slave out. So slave is out, master is in. So master in slave out. Okay, this is the serial clock and this is the chip select. It always go to the slave. Okay, so this is the known as the SPI, serial prefiller. Okay, where it is used? Okay, so serial prefiller is used in the LCD, LED, memory, chip memory. That is the application of serial prefiller. Okay, LED, LCD, memory card is the memory card. So there, that is the application of SPI. Okay, so yeah, and it is also a synchronization. Okay, synchronization, it is also a synchronization SPI. Okay, I2C. Okay, so I2 is also one type of communication protocol. Basically it is a stand for the integrated circuit. Okay, integrated circuit, that is the I2C. Okay, it has in I2C there is also two-wire communication. What is that? One is serial clock. Second is serial data. Okay, so this is two wire communication in the I2C. Okay, serial clock and serial data. Okay, look into the frame format of I2C. Okay, frame format of I2C. First it will come start frame or start bits, you can say that. Okay, then 7 address bits it will take. Next is that read and write. Okay, another is acknowledgement, and again 8 bits. Okay, data. The next again acknowledgement, then stop the bit. Okay, so this is the frame format of I2C. Okay, it will start from the bit, and the 7 bits is the address, and then read and write, then acknowledgement, then again 8 bits of the data we can transmit, then acknowledgement, and stop the bits or stop the frame. So this is the frame format of I2C. Where it is used, what is the application? Okay, coming right. So basically it will use in IC to IC. Okay, and it's also used for sensor, temperature. So this is the application where it is using. Okay, and it is also a synchronization. Okay, and how many data we can transmit here? So here 100 kbps to 5 mpb is Mbps transmit. Okay, so this is what I2C and SPI and UART. Okay, so in this video up to here only. Okay, so UART, as I said, this is to UART. I can explain once again. Like UART is the two wire communication TX and RS where we transmit the data. Okay, and SPI is four wire of communication: master out, slave in, master in, slave out, chip select, and serial clock. So that is the four wire of communication. That is ASIC connection where we transmit the data. 1 byte of data we can transmit with the serial peripheral interface. Okay. Coming to the I2C, I2 is also an inter-integrated circuit where we can there is two wire communication. Okay, like serial clock and serial data. Okay, and this is the frame format of UART. It is also synchronization, and we can transmit the data up to 100 kbps to 5 mbps. Okay, so this is no as I2C, UART and SPI. Okay, I hope you got something about this. So yeah, we will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.